Welcome to Econo Lodge Milwaukee Airport. Your comfortable and affordable home base just moments from Milwaukee's Mitchell International Airport. Step into our inviting guest rooms, equipped with all the comforts you need. Cozy beds, free Wi-Fi, flat-screen TV, microwave, refrigerator, and a workspace perfect for both rest and productivity. Start your day right with our free grab-and-go breakfast, outdoor parking, laundry, business center. Free airport transportation makes every stay simple, smart, and convenient. Just minutes away, explore everything Milwaukee has to offer. Explore Basilica of St. Josephat, Mitchell Gallery of Flight, Runway Dog Exercise Area, Milwaukee County Sport Complex. Visit our website at econolodgemilwaukeewe.com and start planning your stay today. For hotel booking, click the link in the video description below.